Have you ever stopped to think about how much you actually loved that cold piece of black glass you hold in your hand? It wasn't just a device. You received your most exciting news on it, and you read the deepest breakup messages in its glow. You recorded your child's first steps with it and heard the voice of your loved one through its speaker during your most desperate moments. We squeezed the last 20 years of our lives into these little squares. For us, it was our only window to the world, the partner to our loneliness. But future generations will not understand us at all. They will wonder why we bent our necks to be trapped in that little square, why we missed out on reality to watch life from behind a lens. To them, this situation will seem as primitive a relic as our ancestors using kerosene lamps, because we are the last generation to carry technology in our pockets. Those glass screens are shattering, and technology is beginning to seep from the outside into our skin and into our souls. Friends, I have a small request. Our videos are watched tens of thousands of times, but many of us forget to subscribe. If you value the effort I put into this content, it would truly make me happy if you could pause the video right now and take just 1 second to subscribe to the channel. Your support is the reason this channel survives. Now, let's get back to that little ring on our finger. The first step to getting rid of the clumsy weight of the phone happens on our finger. Smart rings. At first, they may seem like simple devices that just count steps. However, very soon, your wallet, your house key, and your entire medical history will fit into a single ring. But it's not just about data, it's about feeling. Imagine this. Even if your loved one is on the other side of the world, you will be able to feel their excitement or heartbeat at that moment through the gentle vibration the ring makes on your finger. Is an emoji on a phone screen more real, or is this tactile connection? So, will technology always remain this cold? I have great news, especially for our female followers. Wearable technology is turning into a symbol of elegance. Smart necklaces, earrings, and even digital nails. A necklace you wear is no longer just an ornament, it becomes a life coach that measures your stress levels and offers suggestions to your phone to relax you when your mood changes. Smart nails that make payments with a hand gesture, or elegant bracelets that track your sleep. Technology is no longer a crude device, but the smartest part of your style. Ladies, don't you think this aesthetic form of technology makes life more stylish? Smart glasses and contact lenses are taking screens out of our pockets and placing them directly into our field of vision. The act of watching a video will no longer exist. You will be inside the video. While walking down the street, navigation will appear directly on the sidewalk. The digital memory of a lost loved one will appear next to you on the park bench where you sit. But we need to pause and think here. Does being exposed to a stream of data anytime, anywhere make us free, or does it condemn us to a digital prison? Let's discuss this in the comments. Do you think this is freedom? Now let's go a little deeper, to our skin. Tactile clothing, or haptic systems. This isn't just fabric, it's a new layer of your body. When a distant friend hugs you from a digital world, this outfit will make you feel that warmth and pressure on your back. You will feel the drops of rain in the Metaverse or those little shivers of excitement right on your skin. In a world where even touch is digitized, will the feeling of loneliness truly become history? Do you remember the hoverboards and gravity-defying shoes we watched as kids? With these magnetic levitation-based shoes, you will no longer walk, you will practically glide. A future where your steps do not touch the ground, moving rapidly on a magnetic cushion. Imagine a father gliding with his child in the park, independent of gravity. This is not just transportation, it is a declaration of freedom, pushing the boundaries of the physical world. Even talking about this with you, I feel that childlike excitement inside me. And finally, the boldest link in evolution, Elon Musk's Neuralink project. Musk promises us not just healing, but becoming superhuman.
the flow of information directly into the brain without the need for any device. Being able to say, "I love you," with just a thought, without needing words, transmitting that wave of pure love in your mind to the other person in all its intensity. According to Musk, if we can't beat artificial intelligence, we must become it. So, are you ready to upload your mind to a cloud and become a cyborg in Elon Musk's futuristic world? Is this salvation or the end of ourself? We are the last generation trying to know the world by looking at those black glasses. Perhaps we will miss those primitive phones, but our new identity will carry us to horizons we cannot even imagine. Thank you for not leaving me alone on this journey. If this video opened a different window for you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, which of these technologies that will become part of your body are you ready to surrender your soul to? Let's meet in the comments. Take care of yourselves. See you in the future.